Beat the Matrix Strategy, Age of AI. We're back with another video, and today we're going to look at the new strategy, which is basically an update to the previous one.
Just make a few adjustments here and there so that the chart is according to your liking, and once that is set and done, you can proceed on to the indicators tab.
So we'll go to the indicators tab, and here is where we have to maintain our focus. First of all, we're going to select the stochastic oscillator, and we have to change the settings to 15 on the K period, 8 on the D period, and 4 on the slowing. Remember to keep the price field on low to high and the method to simple. You can also change the styles by making sure that you color the signal line and differentiate from the main line. Okay, so those are the two colors we're going to use. Remember to change the levels. The 15% level will be set for buys, the 85% level will be set for sales, and the 50% level, as usual, will signal a wait signal, which is basically a zone where we're not allowed to buy nor sell. Remember that. And as we move on, just remember to click the method to simple and save your configurations of the stochastic oscillator. If you want to keep it at simple, you may. If you want to change it to exponential as well, you can also do that. But exponential allows you to visualize the movement of the signal line faster than any other option there.
As we all know, Bitcoin is currently really bullish, so we're gonna add our favorite moving averages to this strategy. First things first, I'm just trying to conduct a little technical analysis because I believe this is a very important section where price ought to break below. As you can see, I'm currently just making some adjustments to the colors of my trend line because my previous theme was black and now I've changed it to white so that it allows me to view the charts and my tools more vividly. Moving on, remember that conducting a good technical analysis will influence and act as confluence to your strategy, okay? But please maintain your focus on this section here because this is where things get interesting. As you can see, the stochastic oscillator is close to the sell section, okay? Right now we're going to add the moving average so that we can then complement our stochastic oscillator. The period of this moving average is going to be 200. The shift will remain at 0. We're going to apply the method to simple and apply the close to close basically, okay? And then we're going to change the color to red and 3 pixels so that we can then vividly view the moving average. Now we set the parameters again for the 100 moving average to 102. Remember that, the shift to 0, the method to simple, and then we apply to close, okay? And lastly, we move to the 52 moving average. The period is 52. The shift maintain at 0, method to simple, apply to close. The color we are also going to change and make sure it differentiates from the previous one. Once you have all your 30 moving averages, now you can see that the stochastic oscillator is indicating that there will be a possible sell on BTC USD, right? So it's basically overbought. But as you can see, price has not yet crossed below our moving averages, which now indicates that price is still bullish. What do? In order for this strategy to be successful, you only enter the positions when the stochastic oscillator is crossed on both the signal and the main line on the 85%, indicating sell pressure, okay? And you only enter the positions when the candlesticks on your chart, on the 30-minute chart, are below the blue, the green, and the red moving average. That way you will have very good and accurate trade executions. All right, please remember that this is very good for scalping. It's also good for swing trades, but for better entries or more accurate entries, please always conduct your trading on the smaller time frames because you will have better results, and this is also good for backtesting. All right, so guys, this is yet another strategy from Shao King, and I'm here to help all of you who are struggling to make consistent profits in the market. Remember that you can, with this strategy, you can make anything from $0 to $50 a day with small lot sizes. If you're conservative and if you're an aggressive trader, you can make even more. But remember to use proper risk management, as this does only depend on you.